I'm Aamir Khandwala. Welcome to our NoMad 2 project. This 3,100 square foot apartment is all about art and entertainment. Now allow us to share how we brought this vision to life. Follow me. The purpose of this entry hall is to simply take your breath away. We started with a color blue. We took inspiration from this art. But we didn't just paint it, we lacquered it. It has 8 coats of lacquer that took 3 months to make. In playing with scale, we continued with a large, round mirror and a custom credenza designed by our firm. Good design should always have an element of surprise. We designed this perforated Korean door, which provides a hint of what is yet to come. This great room consists of the living, dining, and kitchen. In the living room, we wanted to feature the views and to keep it open to the rest of the great room. Since this apartment is designed around entertainment, the living room has ample seating and an easy flow. We started by designing this generous sofa with a graceful contour in my favorite color blue. We then designed the custom coffee tables that provides ample surfaces for hors d'oeuvres and drinks. We added the antique mirror tops on our coffee tables to bring in some old world charm. The armchairs are not only comfortable, but they also swivel for easy conversations. We added the bench for additional seating. And for an element of continuity, we chose matching chandeliers for the living and dining area. We designed this space for dining and lounging. We designed this sumptuous banquette and paired it with very comfortable leather chairs. We chose a table that's both handsome and functional, with soft edges and ample legroom. For a space to function well, we always recommend 4 levels of lighting. Downlights from the ceiling, pendant lights or chandeliers, wall sconces, and lastly lamps. And the purpose of lighting here is also to illuminate our client's art collection. So here we turned a liability into an asset by turning this load-bearing column into a feature. We did that by cladding the column in Korean panels and shelves with built-in lighting. We chose Korean here because of durability, softness, and fluidity. A home office does not have to be sterile, and we did that by using this dark palette, which also creates a beautiful backdrop for all the artwork. And we put in a custom sectional in a light colored velvet. And again, materials are very important in our design. This 3,100 square foot apartment has 2 bedrooms, a California-inspired guest bedroom, and this main bedroom. We selected soft grays, eggplant, and lavender for our client's bedroom palette. And then we designed a custom bed with wings in a soft boucle fabric so you feel embraced. And we designed these custom nightstands to fit perfectly within the wings. As with the whole apartment, lighting is very important, and we found this beautiful chandelier made out of sailcloth. And finally, we designed this wall of cabinets with a built-in desk. Design has the power to enrich lives through collaboration, and this is a beautiful example of when designers, clients, and craft people come together in perfect harmony. And it has been my pleasure to share it with you.
Well, if you love what we show you on Open House, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel because we are adding new content all the time, and you can see more of stuff like this.